What if I told you that you could create professional royalty-free music in under 60 seconds without touching a single instrument or knowing anything about music theory? Sounds impossible, right? Well, today I'm putting TopMediai's AI Music Generator to the test, and honestly, I'm kind of blown away. Let me show you exactly how it works. And if you're into AI tools and creator tips, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. So here's the deal. If you're a content creator, you know the struggle. Finding good background music that won't get your video demonetized is genuinely painful. And licensing proper music? That gets expensive fast. That's where TopMediai comes in. It's an all-in-one AI creation studio, built for creators by creators. You tell it what kind of music you want, and it creates completely original tracks. 100% royalty-free. No licensing fees, just music you can actually use. Sounds good in theory, but let me actually show you how it works. First, head to TopMediai's website. Signing up takes about 30 seconds. Once you're in, the interface is super clean. On the left sidebar, you've got other tools, singing photo, audio to MIDI, stem splitter, music hooks. But today we're focusing on AI music. Now here's where it gets interesting. You've got 3 different ways to create music. Let me walk you through each one. First up, prompt to music. This is the easiest and fastest method. Just type a description, genre, mood, instruments, voice type. I'll type a Chinese song about summer rain, jazz, mellow, warm, sung by a male voice. See this instrumental toggle? Flip it on if you just want background music without vocals. Hit create. That's it. A full track from one sentence, and I got 2 variations to choose from. But what if you don't know how to describe the music you need? That's where the second method comes in. Image to music. This one's super creative. You upload any image, and the AI analyzes the vibe and creates music to match. Let me try this sunset beach photo. Hear that? Calm, warm, peaceful. It captured the sunset mood perfectly. So we've got text prompts and images covered.
About crafting some catchy pop lyrics that draw inspiration from the vibe of a sunset beach.
But what if you want full creative control, like writing actual lyrics? That's option 3. Lyrics to music. This is where you create actual songs with vocals. Write your lyrics using verse, chorus, bridge tags. And if you're stuck, hit inspired lyrics. I gives you ideas. Walking through the city lights, everything feels alive tonight. Create full song with vocals from just a few lines. Pretty wild. All right, so the tool is impressive, but what's it going to cost? Let's break that down. TopMediai uses a credit system. 3 plans, starter at $4.99 a week for casual use, creator at $8.99 a month with commercial use unlocked, and pro at $99.99 a year for up to 3,000 songs. Way cheaper than traditional licensing. Okay, so pricing is fair, but what actually makes this tool worth it compared to others? Here's what stood out to me. First, use it anywhere. YouTube, podcasts, ads, games, no copyright strikes. That alone is huge. Second, and this ties into what we just saw, impressive genre variety. Pop, ambient, cinematic, electronic, hip-hop. Whatever you need, they've got it. Third, solid exports, MP3, WAV, MIDI files, even sheet music. So you can take it further in a DAW if you want. And finally, that instrumental toggle we used earlier, it makes switching between background music and full vocal tracks effortless. Quick reminder, if this is helping, hit subscribe. I drop new creator tool reviews every week. Features are great, but let me show you how this actually fits into a real project. Say I'm editing a travel vlog and need 3 different tracks. Something upbeat for adventure scenes, something mellow for scenic shots, and something emotional for the ending. Track 1, upbeat, energetic adventure music with drums and guitar. Instrumental on Create. Track 2, calm, mellow ambient music with soft synths. Create. Track 3, emotional cinematic piano music, reflective mood. Create. 5 minutes, original music for my entire video. No stock libraries, no worrying about claims. Exactly what creators need when you don't have a big budget. So after testing all of this, here's my honest take. Is TopMediai perfect? AI music is still evolving. Sometimes you'll generate something that doesn't quite hit, but the ability to iterate quickly, the licensing freedom, and sheer convenience make it genuinely useful. If you're tired of music headaches, give TopMediai a try. Free features available, no commitment. Link in the description. Let me know in the comments what you'd create. That's it. If this helped, Smash subscribe and hit the bell. Catch you in the next one.